Hello, this is my browser-based snooker game, created using P5.js for visuals and Matter.js for physics. In this demo, I'll walk you through the game's core features, the queue system, all the game modes, animations, and a special extension I added. Now, let's start with the game mode, which you can activate by pressing the number keys 1 to 4. Pressing 1 loads the standard snooker layout. These colored balls are placed in official positions and red balls are arranged in a triangle. Pressing 2 activates random red mode. The red balls are shuffled randomly across the table, while colored balls stay in their standard spots. Pressing 3 shuffles all balls, including reds and colored ones. The system uses a collision check to avoid overlapping positions when placing balls. Pressing 4 enables the wrap around mode, which I'll explain later in more detail. These modes allow players to experiment with different layouts and add variety to the gameplay. Now for the cue stick. The design is mouse only for aiming, making it intuitive and smooth. You first place the cue ball manually inside the D zone by clicking a valid location. After that, move your mouse to aim. The cue stick rotates in real time towards the mouse. Use the up arrow to increase power shot, and the down arrow to reduce it. Then press enter or click your mouse to shoot. The system uses vector math to calculate force based on direction and power. The cue also shows feedback with cursor changes and animations. When a ball is pocketed, it gets removed and gets placed and appears outside the snooker table. You can also see a shadow highlight on balls using a ball texture, making them more realistic. The cue stick shows a dynamic animation, pulling back and shooting based on power. There's also a collision tracker that logs what the cue ball last hit, whether a red, colored ball or a fusion. The result is displayed near the bottom of the screen for feedback. Let's go back to wraparound mode by pressing 4. The mode changes the physics. When the cue ball hits a cushion, it teleports to the opposite side. For example, hitting the left wall sends the ball to the right edge, while top and bottom walls are also linked. This introduces a non-traditional twist to gameplay that's not possible in real snooker. It encourages new strategies like bouncing the ball across the screen intentionally. The logic is done by checking fusion collisions and updating the ball's position manually with offsets. That covers all the main features of my snooker game. I used object-oriented JavaScript, vector math, collision physics, and user interaction design to build a responsive, playable experience. Thank you for watching my demo.